Good evening. I'm coming to you from Danville, Virginia. I'm here at the Holiday Inn Express. This is the first time I've actually stayed at a Holiday Inn Express, believe it or not. Trying to build up our status in the IHG program. Thanks to some other YouTubers that we know, Grounded Life Travel, Rob and Allie. Also Poverty to Paradise, Linnell. Shout outs to you guys. I'm gonna go inside here and get checked in, check this place out, see what happens. All right guys, let's get inside. It's been raining on and off here all day. We've had some bad storms over the last 24 hours, so I'm going in to get inside and get some rest. All right, guys, see you inside. Let's go make some memories.
This is the lobby area here with some more seating. This is also the business area where you can print something out if you need to. And they also have snacks here, fresh cookies, and they had some Oreos and some Ritz crackers before. That was very nice of them. So here we are in the breakfast area. It's quite big, but small if the hotel's full, you know. So there's hot water here, plenty of teas and hot chocolate, some coffee. There are cups, creamers, sugars, and sweeteners. And then there's a garbage can here, but there's also garbage here and recycling. And they do have a kid's chair, a high chair, so that's pretty cool. Sanitizer station, that works, so that's good. And some condiments here. I like the artwork too. And so in the morning, these two doors, I'm guessing, will be open. Right now it's open. And it's set up, obviously it's empty right now, but there's toasters, areas for breads and stuff like that. It's the milk, everything, juice, fruits. I like that they even allowed you to come in here in case you needed something, but yeah. So yeah, there's the hot food and breakfast. We'll see what they have in the morning, and we'll show you all what we found. Guest laundry is 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. You do need your guest key to enter. I'm not sure how much it is because it is in use, and I don't see it anywhere. They have Maytag ones, so that might be good. It doesn't say that I could tell, so I'm not sure how much they cost. But they do take credit cards, so that's good to know too. It doesn't take cash or complimentary breakfast is 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And I think this way it's gonna be mostly just rooms, but we'll check anyway. There's a pantry which you can't go into. And the exit. That's it, some storage and stairs. They have the bathrooms here, men and women's. And here is the seating area and the business area right over there as well. Here's the elevator. They have a pantry here and a microwave, so that's pretty cool. The fitness center is open 24 hours. And there's nobody currently in it. They provide water. They have towels, wipes, which is nice. The machines, they look in good condition, in good shape. For what I could tell, some have TVs on them. They have a weigh station. I'm not stepping on that scale, but they do have dumbbells as well. TV in the corner, the time. So that's good. Complimentary disposable earbuds are available. Please wipe down equipment after each use. So it's nice that they provide that too. Honestly, my experience here has been good so far. I believe this way it's just rooms, but we'll double check anyway. It's the end. And there is a coach bus over here staying on the side. So that means that people are staying here. And it's a little scary that in the morning breakfast, oh, now there's 2 buses. Yay! Oh, great. But there's a Biscuitville. I've never heard of Biscuitville before. Have you? Ice machine over here. So there is an ice machine here at the end. So it is currently nighttime, but here's the pool. It is closed. They don't have any furnitures or chairs out at the moment, obviously, since it is closed. and covered, but there isn't any like outdoor bathroom or anything like that here. So here we are on floor 3. We are room 309, and so we are facing the front of the hotel. So odds would be facing the front, even would be facing the river. And we also actually saw this magnet on the other side. It says enjoy a greener stay. It says enjoy a greener stay. If you skip the housekeeping by 2 a.m., they will give you 500 IHG points. Maximum room rate is $5.99. Here we have the bathroom. For what I could tell, everything looks very clean. They use Dove products here, so we have hand wash and body lotion. Looks like this might be a nightlight. Yep, a little nightlight there. They give us toilet paper, plenty of towels, and bathroom's kind of small space, but it works. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Hopefully they have enough of all of that. Shower looks clean. I don't know if this hotel was remodeled, but it's nice. I like it so far. I've had zero problems so far, except a thumping from up above. All right, then we have a full-length mirror here. We have a fridge. We already put our food in. It's plenty cold, I thought. Let me check the temperature in here somewhere, if you can. I might lower the food. He was saying he saw it cold, and I don't know. I'm not sure about that one. Anyway, here's the mini fridge. They have a Keurig, which I love. They have Green Mountain coffee, which it was in one of these hotels where I've tried it for the first time and I really liked it. So Green Mountain coffee is good, in my opinion. So I will enjoy that. It does have a microwave. Microwave is very clean. And I like that there's a light up here, and it is a motion light, so if you tap it, I'm short, so I can't reach that. So then we have the thermostat here on the wall. The beds, which we've checked, are nice and clean. They seem soft and comfy. I do like they have that this table is right here, that it's pretty large, spacious. This controls lights up above the bed, and these are controlled here on the side. Personal lights here. The phone, these are some of the snacks from the lobby, and the little alarm clock there. They left the TV on, the weather. I'm gonna turn that off real quick. Keeping an eye on the weather always. Right here, this light also controls up above. The whole desk area is very big. It's very spacious. It's almost the whole length of the main room, as you can see. And plenty of space for all the luggage. Plenty of drawer space. There's an iron. This is really deep. They have an ironing board here on the side. Hangers over here. 3 hooks, but we've already put our jackets. There's also another light up here for up there. So plenty of light all throughout. The room is very well lit. I like this chair in the corner. Yep, the AC unit. Our view, which if I can get through. Okay. Our view of the front of the hotel, which means there's just a few other hotels up there. Hampton Inn, Courtyard, and another one as far as I can see. But so not much of a view over here. But it is nice to have the car right below. That's nice. And so yeah, this is the room. I think I've covered everything. Very spacious so far, very comfortable, very clean. No funky smells. We'll let you know in the morning how breakfast is and our overall experience, and we'll say our goodbyes.
All right, so when we did check in, I wanted to give a shout out to Dallin. He was the guy that was down at the front desk to check us in. There was a couple things we needed for the room, and he took care of those for us right away as well. Very friendly guy. I actually was talking to him about basketball a little bit as well. There was a game on TV, and we were talking about the different teams that were playing. All in all, just a very good guy. Just wanted to give him a shout out. Let Holiday Inn know, if you're watching this, that he's a good employee and he's doing a good job. This is my plate I ended up getting. some juice, and of course the famous cinnamon rolls. All looks pretty good.
So just outside by the pool, there's this like boardwalk, river walk, something like that. I don't know how far it goes, but it does look like it curves around the corner a bit here, but it does end this way here because there's businesses and stuff. But this area right here actually belongs to the hotel, and they have a picnic table, a garbage can, and it's just really beautiful by the river. The views here were really nice as the sun set yesterday, and they're beautiful today actually. So very nice, very peaceful, very serene. I could have came out here and sat for a while if it hadn't been a little bit too chilly and we needed dinner. And then now this morning it would have been nice for breakfast, but again, cold overnight.
Look at that bird.
Yeah, beautiful. So this is a perfect place for an outro. Let's say our goodbyes.
Just a tip too for the river walk out here, they do only have the one picnic table, but if you're the kind of travelers that travel with those like foldable chairs, grab those out of the trunk of your car and come sit out here. You know, don't feel like if you're not at the picnic table you can't be here. Gotta say, we were definitely pleasantly surprised. It was our first time staying at a Holiday Inn Express, first time using IHG points. We were definitely surprised here. The breakfast was really good. Everybody we've encountered on the staff has been friendly. The hotel room itself was very clean. Breakfast area was clean and well stocked. They had a lot of good options for breakfast. So far on this trip, we've stayed at a Hampton Inn, a Fairfield Inn, and now the Holiday Inn Express, and all of us like the breakfast here the best. You can see why this place has good reviews on Google and on TripAdvisor, and we're gonna give it a good review as well. So if you do like our travel content, make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, leave us a comment down below if you ever traveled through Danville, Virginia before. If you did, where did you maybe eat? Let us know in the comments down below so other people will know, and where did you stay? We actually ate last night and had a really good dinner last night. We really enjoyed it at the Long River. It was like Chinese food, and it was amazing. If you like our content, check this one out next. Safe travels. We'll see you down the road. That's right, Birdman. We'll see you down the road.